Okay, Happy New Year and welcome back. We're going to revisit some of the skills that we learned last term. So you need a pencil, a ruler, optional fine liner, and some colours. So the first thing to do is to draw 6 equally spaced parallel lines. And then what we're going to do is divide this up into 4 equal sections. So I've cut it in half and then I cut it in half again. So I've got 4 sections. And what we're going to look to do is the year, which is 2021. So Happy New Year to you. So start with 2 little lines there, pop 2 diagonals there, 2 verticals there. So you can see you're using the guidelines. Now if you want to be more super accurate, you could use a ruler on this, but I'm freehanding it in. Hopefully you can start to see those numbers appear, and by using the guidelines we get sort of like an equal size to the numbers. So I'm going to go over this now with a fine liner pen. If you've got a black biro pen, you can do that. Hopefully now you can see all of the numbers. Next thing is to put a vanishing point on this. So we're going to make a single point perspective drawing out of this. So VP1. So put it in the middle, directly above your drawing, and using your ruler, from all the points of detail, lightly put lines up to the vanishing point. Remember, it has to be on the vanishing point, not just sort of near it, actually on it. So do the top lines first, and then the bottom points of detail you can put on as well. Now you'll notice I've missed one there. I do go back later on and finish that one. Put lines all the way up. And the next bit's up to you. If you want to have the lines continuing off into infinity where the vanishing point is, you can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a horizontal line across there and a small diagonal there to indicate where the lettering ends as it goes off into the distance. Then I'm going to go over those lines again with my pen so you can see them. Normally I would probably fine line at the end, but I'm going over them dark now so you can see them clearly. Next job then is to, if you've got a rubber, it's just to rub out all the faint pencil lines so you don't have all those guidelines all over your work. And we're going to put some rendering on this, so I'm going to go for a light source coming from the top right hand corner of my page, and then always best to use colouring crayons rather than just pencil. I'm going to go for those 3 tones: light, medium and dark. So I'm going for the darkest tone on the front of the numbers, the lightest tone on the top because that's the side that get the most sunlight, and the medium sort of tone on the inside. And what you'll see, what I've done on the rendering for the inside, I've sort of started it dark at the edge and then blend it in to be more of a medium colour. Remember, to blend, it's important that you keep your pencil strokes going in the same direction and get that even tone as well. So there you go, that's completed. Colour choice is up to you. If you wanted to make it a little bit more challenging, you could put little spaces in between the numbers rather than have them stacked close to one another like I've done. Or if you wish, you could attempt, have a go at doing your name or something like that. We will develop this skill next week, so look forward to seeing what you can come up with. Until then, see you.